Nick's even got the old light there.
That's the old illumination, illuminante. Yeah.
And this is my mate Rik here, projector man. This is where it's all going to happen. We'll be cheering and singing, carrying us all the way through the park there. Yeah. Yeah. So that's for the laptop. Yeah. Having one vocal. Yeah. Not be Barry and I. Yeah.
So I want a dwarf.
Right.
Wait, what? I want a dwarf.
Sold 7 tickets.
And then 6 months later, he's got a dwarf.
Yeah.
Little Jimmy Osborne. And instead of I'll be a long get lumber from Liverpool, I'll be a short toss from Sheffield.
Yeah.
We can't go in the line, that's what I'm saying. Baz has decided he's doing vocals as well now.
Oh, not giving it to you. What's the vocal?
Fire him.
I'm keeping you out. You have decided to do it.
We're going to try that so you don't intro a bit and that, the lights and that. Alright, yeah. Yeah, so we don't have no tables down here, do we? We want a mosh pit. We've got people that like to mosh. And that's all bit wide.
1, 2, 4 and 8, 48. I can hear myself. Not as loud as the gentleman to my right, but I can hear myself.
You don't want to be as fucking loud as me. Keep going. It's alright.
Shall we play you a song?
Still stand down here just so. Put my ears in, because at this point you're not going to be on, are you? Then you're going to walk on. I'll play through.